question 6. Now, when you look at 27, or 1 over 27, what can you think of? 27 means it is related to 3. Okay. And this is 3 to the what power? It's 1 over 27. No, not 1/3. -3. Okay, 3 to the -3 power, it's 1 over 27. And then you have x to the -3 over 4. Now, do me a favor, okay, and do yourself a favor as well. It is printed as a slash, but when you write it, don't write the slash. Keep it as a fraction line, like a horizontal fraction line. Now, what is our job? Our job is to get x by itself. If I ask you, what's the exponent here for the x? What's the exponent here? At the very end, what's the exponent here? This one right here. What is the exponent here? When we say x is equal to something, right? At the end, this will be x to the first power, right? So our goal is to make this exponent to become 1. And the question is, how? How can we make the -3 over 4 power to become 1? A very direct and easy way to do it is multiplying by the reciprocal for the exponent on both sides. Okay. In this case, the negative and negative, they would cancel each other out. The 4 and 4, they would cancel each other out. And 3 and 3, they cancel each other out. So all you have is just x to the first power. Okay. And then we say, what about -3 times -4/3? Well, -3 and the 3 in the denominator, they would cancel each other out. The negative times negative, it's going to cancel each other out. So that means x is equal to 3 to the 4th power, which is 81. Okay, so x is equal to 81. So let me go over this again. So first, you look at 27. It is 3 to the -3 power. And you have 3 to the -3/4 for the power on the left. Our job is to get x by itself. We want to find out what x is equal to. And when we say x is equal to something, it's x to the first power. Okay, it's x to the first power. And how can we get to that power? And we say, well, if we can somehow make the exponent equal to 1, that would be fantastic. And we can just raise both sides by the same power. And we design this particular power so that they would cancel each other out and become 1. Negative times negative is? Well, we don't worry about that at the moment. We are worried about the x. Our job is to get x to the first power. So negative and negative, they cancel each other out. 4 and 4, 3 and 3. So that's just x on the left. And then on the right-hand side, the negative and negative, they become positive. The numerator 3 will cancel out with the denominator 3. So all you're left with is 3 to the 4th power, which is, again, 81. Okay, so it's very driven by what you want. You want x to the first power, make it happen. Yes?
Only the side would be x is one of those on making it 1. But let's say when it happens to the other side, it doesn't have to go.
Your job is what? Get x. X to the first power. That's your job. That's our job. Okay? That would take care of itself. But our job is to, we got x to the first power. We have to combine them first.
And then we would follow the same. rule.
Yeah. Okay.